Good day, ladies and gentlemen, dear students. I'm glad to address you once again. Today, 13th March, today we should have a class today, as I promised last week. But unfortunately, the Academic Staff Union of University, ASU, is on a warning strike for 2 weeks. So your HOD, Dr. Adedoyin, your HOD, Dr. Awodoyin, called me yesterday, and she informed me that the class will not hold because your school has also joined ASU strike. But thank God that we have this kind of platform. So I'm making an introduction of the course today. The course is LIS324, Information Literacy. LIS324, Information Literacy. This course is a 3-unit course and it's compulsory. Compulsory in the sense that it's a must to pass. You must pass it. If you don't pass, you will come back to write it again. And if you don't pass again, you will not be able to graduate. So you need to be very serious about this course. And the assessment will have examination. We're going to have a CA. And my CA will form the attendance. Is a must you attend the class, and also your activities on Edimodo. When we say activities, the number of likes you do, the posts, the quiz response, and so on and so forth. So you start marking your way to success or to failure from now. Whatever you do now on this platform in the class will determine whether you will pass this course or you come back next year. Or is there anybody that wants to come back next year? I believe that there's nobody here. Information literacy. Information literacy is the ability to know when there's a need for information, to be able to identify, to be able to locate, to be able to evaluate and effectively use information for issues and also or for problem at hand. You have information and you know the right information to use. You know the quantity of the information to use, the quality of the information to use at the right time. That is information literacy. As a result, you can see how important this course is to our profession, LIS, Library and Information Science. Because information is our product that we sell. Information is our ingredient. We deal with information of any form. So as a result, this course is very important. As we know that to understand what information to use, you need to have a training. You need to be trained and know the right thing to do. So as a result, in this course, you will be introduced to the meaning of information literacy, which is a concept and the definition of information literacy. We'll be looking at the information society and the information literate person. Who is information literate or who is information illiterate? So these are the things. So the course, we have about 14 points to look at. We're looking at concept, as I mentioned, definition. We talk about information society, and information economy. In this course, we'll be looking at importance of information literacy. That's number 3. Number 4, information literacy education program. Number 5, characteristics and types of information. Then we look at sources of information access to. How do you access information? What kind of tools can I use to get information? This course also will look at information literacy skills. What are the skills that can distinguish you from information illiterate and for you to be identified as information literate? And this course, you are able to understand that. Then we look at the models and components of information literacy. We look at the internet and the internet services, though in some courses we have done this. So we just look at the services evaluation or evaluating internet resources for use. We look at copyright. Copyright, what is the right things to do about using somebody's material, to what extent, how to give credit, how to reference properly, and so on. Then we look at evaluation of information sources. And the last one we'll be looking, which is number 14, problem hindering information literacy skills acquisition. That's the last one. There will be assignment, there will be quiz, there will be activities in this course. I believe that you are looking forward to acquire new skills, to contribute in the class. Well, my class, you need to contribute. I'm not an island of knowledge. I believe that also you have one or two things you want to give to me. You want to give into the course so I can understand it better. So once again, I welcome you to this class. I'm Dr. Ayodele Alunge, but you can come just Dr. Alunge. I'll be available 24/7 using the technology, and the class will be holding on Fridays, for 2 hours every Friday. So as we're still on strike, I will make sure that maybe 1 or 2 or 3 courses can be done this way, so you can listen, you can watch, and make a comment. As this video will be posted, I expected you to comment also under it, to know, and you can ask me questions any question that you want to know about this course. Once again, thank you very much. I wish you a lovely weekend. Bye bye.